Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I'm making a video recording how to upload a video properly on a YouTube channel. Ensure you subscribe, like, share and comment. Our tutorial today is focusing how once you upload a video on your YouTube channel, you'll gain the most viewers. You'll also attract most subscribers, and lastly, you'll be able to rank in the search optimization engine. For the viewers watching content who might be interested in your content, they will be suggested. Your video will be suggested in the video search. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Ensure you subscribe, like, share and comment. So the very first step we normally do, will come to our YouTube studio dashboard. Then secondly, we'll come to upload video. Once we come to upload video, we'll click upload video. Upload video. Once we click upload the video, it will give us an opportunity to upload a video. It will give us this dashboard that we are supposed to drag and drop the video file to upload. So we'll select, then we'll come here and pick the video that we want to that we are interested in uploading. So the video that we are uploading is here. Then once we select it, it will start the video will start. It's telling us that that it is at 1% uploaded. The video is uploading. The second thing that we'll come here and select our title. Before you select your title, it is advisable you come to your browser, just type maybe your something near your heading, or the title that you're interested in putting across. Once you put, you will be able to. My video is how to upload a video properly on my YouTube channel. I can see it is suggesting for me some keyword phrases. So I will select. It is best to select a keyword phrase that is near the suggested ones, since YouTube algorithm is telling you that this is what most people are searching on their browsers. So mine according to the keyword phrases, I will select a title. Once I select a title, I'll come here and put it in the title tag. I decided to put this the title tag that I decided to select. I decided to select this title tag. How to upload a video properly on your YouTube channel 2020 new settings updated version. So in the description link, you need to put 3 to 10 sentences. Those 3 to 10 sentences, you need to always consider the algorithm. Once you type here in your browser your heading, these are the keyword phrases. You need to put those keyword phrases in your description link, so that those people who might be interested in searching in the search window, who are searching your content, your video will be suggested to them. So we can see 23% of the content has uploaded. So the next thing that we will pick is the link to my video. We'll be able to put it here. The other thing we need the description. We see the description should be 3 to 10 sentences. Ensure those 3 to 10 sentences have the key phrases that you searched in your search window. So the other thing that we'll go to will upload a thumbnail. We select or upload a picture that shows what is in your video. A thumbnail, ensure, like if you're talking about a yummy meal, ensure you put a thumbnail that any viewer who views the thumbnail will know the content of the video. So we'll upload a thumbnail. We've already created one. We'll come here and select our thumbnail. As it is uploading, this is the thumbnail that you selected. How to upload a video properly on YouTube. We can see this is the upload button of YouTube. We have also put a stamp of lifestyle tutorials, and I'm sure now it has uploaded. Yes, it has uploaded. So the next thing that we'll come to we can see now the video has uploaded 42%, as 42%, 44% of the video has uploaded. The next thing we'll come and select our playlist. The essence of selecting our playlist is we'll select YouTube tutorials. The essence of selecting a playlist is if you have videos that are almost the same content, it means that you have viewers who have viewed the other video are likely to be interested to watch this new video that I've uploaded. So it is always advisable to put them in a playlist, because viewers who had viewed the former videos might be interested to view this one that you've just uploaded. Now we are done. You need to come to select our audience. Our audience is that our video is not made for kids. So if it is made for kids, you will select the age limits. Then we'll come here and select more options. This one is paid promotion. This one is for people who have monetized their YouTube channel. For my case, I have not monetized my YouTube channel, so I'll not focus on that. The other thing that I'll be looking at is that tags. Tags can be useful if the content of your video is common misspelled. Tags are used you normally put the keyword phrases that the viewer from the other browser might likely be searching or might be typing on their browser for your video to be suggested as a solution to their search, to what they were searching. So the tags normally assist in fulfilling the viewer who was in YouTube searching content. So we'll select our keywords here. We'll come and select our keywords. And when selecting keywords, you need to come and consider other people who have uploaded the same content. Like when we come to this, we can see this is a creator by Creator Fundamentals. Creator Fundamentals uploaded a video about how to upload a video on YouTube 2020. We can see their video has their video has have 128,000 views. YouTube provides some tools that you need to install. Ensure you install a tool called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy shows a lot of metrics to the videos that have been uploaded. It shows you the video tags. These are the video tags. These are the tags that he used. It shows the channel tags and also keyword tags. So ensure in the description link you will find a link how to install. Ensure you install TubeBuddy. You install keyword search and video IQ. So I will provide all those links. Also we can view from this is Brand G Johnson's video TV. We can see he also had put how to properly upload a video on YouTube. So we can see the metrics via video IQ. We can see these are the metrics. Also, what you need to do before you need to install TubeBuddy. I said in the description link, I'll provide a link where you will, once you install, you install, put your details using the when you click that link. So video TubeBuddy provides the metrics when uploading a video on your YouTube channel. So these are the metrics that it provides. It tells you the rank. It tells me that this video that has been uploaded by Della Eves has 80% in the search optimization engine. It is calling an 80%. We can see it has 1.8 likes. Also, we can see those people who have disliked, the total views, and also the best practice. For you to upload a video on your YouTube channel, ensure you have a thumbnail that is best for your viewers, your info card, your end screens. Share it on Twitter, share it on Facebook, pin it in your comments. And also, so though if your viewers comment on your video, ensure that you will like it. When we come here to the tags, TubeBuddy ensures that it shows the ranking. When we click that, we'll see the ranking in the search optimization engine. We can see the tags that this video has, and we are able to copy. Once we copy them, we can be able to come in our video and add tags. These are the tags that we've added. Once you add the tags, ensure if you had installed TubeBuddy will be able to populate and you'll get the best tags. So the other things that we need to consider is ensure once you upload your video, one of the things that you need to do is the title heading of your video. Ensure it is one of the tags, because you put it as the tags in your video. And the second thing that we need to come is you come to language title and language and subtitles. For our video, language is in English, so we have nothing, we are good to go. On when the other thing that we need to consider is recording date and location. Today is on 19th. Today is on 18th July. So also we need to key in the video location. The essence of keying the video location is that my video location, YouTube algorithm is able to learn more about your video. So it means any people within this geographical area, when they come to the YouTube, when they are searching content, they are likely to be suggested my content, simply since I have maybe the same accent and all that. So the other thing you need to describe for the YouTube algorithm, you need to describe for it so much when you're uploading your video. So we need to come to licensing and description, allowing embedding. When we allow embedding, means that bloggers can use my video to explain, or maybe can any other YouTuber, like the way I'm using for Brand G Johnson, they can use my video, they can use my metrics, they can use in TubeBuddy, they can be able to use my content without, since I've allowed them to embed. So we need to select a license. When you're selecting a license, select that standard YouTube license. Category, add your video to when it comes to the category, you need to select the category of your video. The category of your video, the YouTube algorithm normally classifies your content based on the viewers who came to view. That is called audience. The audience who came to view your content, audience viewers. So the other thing that you need to consider is, we can see that it has finished processing. We need comments and ratings. We need to hold comments hold potential inappropriate comments for review. YouTube algorithm will be able to know maybe people who are coming to scam your channel, and they'll be able to hold it, and you'll come to review it so that you may delete it or maybe release it. The other thing that we need to consider is adding card. Adding card, we normally in your video, this will not only generate you viewers, but will also generate you watch hours. Since you make your viewers, you can suggest them to watch another video still in your YouTube channel, so that, because the essence is to retain them in your channel. So we'll now come and create a playlist. Once we create a playlist, we'll create a playlist where we'll pick the one for YouTube tutorials. So it means when they are watching the video, when they are watching the video, they will be suggested to will be able to retain these viewers in my channel. We'll come back to return to YouTube Studio. After adding the card, another thing that we need to consider is adding an end screen. And after adding the end screen, I think we will be good to go. We'll add an end screen. An end screen helps you to in your channel. You're able to suggest to people to watch more content in your channel, and they'll be able YouTube for the viewer ensures that a viewer who came to your channel after finishing watching your video will be suggested to watch another content within your YouTube channel. So this not only ensures you gain viewers, subscribers, but ensures audience retention capacity. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Ensure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. And we've saved it. So the other thing that we are remaining with visibility. We need to schedule our video, and our video, we need to schedule our video, or maybe set as premiering to the date that we need it to be posted.